Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this session, we are going to see the beginner strategy for the upcoming UPSC Prelims 2022. See, if you are going to start your preparation from the month of August, the mid August 15th onwards, surely this strategy will help you to crack your UPSC Prelims as well as mains. Before that, we will see one motivational quotes. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever. So don't ever doubt your preparations and also start your preparations with confident level and then self motivated and then very important hard work and a kind of soft work. With the consistency, you can crack this exam. With this, I am moving with the subjects. So here, this is the list of the subjects related to UPSC. And then number one is polity, history, art and culture, economy, geography, environment and agriculture. See here I am adding you agriculture. I will tell you why I am adding you the agriculture also. And then science and technology and then current affairs. So these are the list of the subjects related to UPSC. Let us in the month of August and September, we just split 40 days for polity and constitution. See, if you are going to start your preparation from August to 15th and then split it into 40 days and then complete, okay, in these 40 days, try to split 7 days for NCRT and then 33 days for your basic and very important book M. Lashmikant. See here in this book, it covers almost 80 chapters. This 33 days one can able to cover all the chapters, and also this polity book, it's a kind of a bulky and very important book. One has to read that. The important areas are parliament and DPSP and fundamental rights. So these are the bulky chapters. It needs 1 or 2 days to complete. Beginners can take at least 3 days also. So let's go on with the next subject. September and October, that is 30 days. So you can go with the economy. You may get a doubt whether we can able to complete this economy within 30 days. Yes, you can complete. See, I have provided you the book list also. Kindly go through the book list video also. It will surely help you during your preparation. See, in this 30 days, I am going to deal with the static portion. Okay, I'm not going to deal with the dynamic portion since we need to cover dynamic portions daily. That is very important. From the August month onwards, you have to cover the dynamic subject. That is, one has to read the newspaper, either in the newspaper or in the Express newspaper, daily cover economic related and editorial, etc. So with this 30 days, in this 30 days, you can solve basic NCRT books and also very important 12th standard macroeconomics. This is very important book. If you are a beginner, start with 60 to 12th books. So for your static and fundamentals and 11th and 12th books are very important. With this basics, 9th and 10th book is very important related to economy. See, for economy, if you analyze the previous year question paper, it was at least 20 plus questions. See, in this 20 plus questions, surely there was 15 plus questions related to the current affairs, and then remaining 5 questions you may expect from this static portion. Therefore, current affairs plays very vital role related to the economy. One should remember that. So let us move on with October, November and December. Here I have provided you 45 days. See, in this 45 days, you can split 15, 30. See, within the 15 days, you can able to complete the environment book. That is static. And then geography, it is very important. A beginners may feel difficult to cover the geography. Therefore, take 30 days to cover the basic books and 4 important books related to the higher secondary. So these are very important books. And also remember that one has to practice the MCQs after completing the subjects. That is very important. Solving the questions is important. Therefore, you should solve polity and economy along with the environment and the geography. So solving the MCQ is very important to understand and to know whether where we are missing and where we are strong and where we need to improve, etc. So that one can able to analyze and improve ourselves. With this I am moving to December. See, I'm just giving 20 days. See, this science and technology plays vital role related to current affairs. See, for a static portion, one can easily can within 20 days. That is, for general science, one should refer 6th to 10th standard NCRT, and then you can move on with 11th to 12th few chapters. You may just go through the previous video related to the book list. One can able to find what are the chapters present in this 11th and 12th standard is very important, etc, etc. See, the current affairs plays vital role. If you analyze the previous year question paper, you may see questions like blockchain technology, nanotechnology, like that. So therefore, this is very important related to your current affairs. And then let us move on with the January and the February. See, here I am just providing you 60 days. See, in this history part, we have to split it into three. One is ancient history, and then medieval history, and then modern history. See, therefore, one has to cover these things within 60 days. See, I'm just giving you in the January and February, since this history contains a lot of facts one has to remember. Therefore, you just try to collect every facts and important things related to history in the month of January and February, and also try to cover this modern history. You may expect your questions, at least 10 plus questions from this area. And also solving the questions is very important. Therefore, solve the MCQs related to history and art and culture along with the above mentioned subjects, that is polity, environment, geography, and science and technology, also very important. Let us move on with the next March. See, with this we are completing the first reading of every subject. From the March to April, just give the rough reading of all the subjects, that is second reading of all the subject, since the revision is very important. And then if you are good in mathematics, then you may start practicing your CSAT paper 2 from the March, or else from January onwards you can start your preparations related to the CSAT. If you are not good in mathematics, daily solving the CSAT is very important, since it is very important paper. It's a qualifying paper. Even though if you get more marks in general studies paper, if you are failed to get CSAT mark, qualifying marks, then we have to again wait for 1 year. So that give importance to CSAT also. With this, from March onwards, try to solve 200 MCQs daily. Begin with at least 100 questions and then move on 150 questions, and then start practicing 200 questions consistently at daily basis. So that is very important. With this, I am moving to current affairs. See, daily reading the newspaper is very important, either Hindu or Indian Express, and editorial is plays vital role related to the Hindu. So therefore, kindly go through daily newspaper analysis. You may refer Shankar IAS Academy and then YouTube channel of Shankar IAS Academy, since they are providing you the very good materials related to current affairs daily. They are updating you PDF and then analyzing the concept very well. One can easily grabs this by reading, by go through the Shankar IAS Academy daily YouTube in the newspaper analysis. So with this, I'm concluding this session. All the best. Hope this session will help you to crack the UPSC and to get a basic knowledge about UPSC. We will meet in the next session. Thank you all. Have a good day.